Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Hard Rock Bait Deposit not working. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to fix deposit not working, what you need to do first is head over and open up your app store, and then on the search bar simply type in Hard Rock Bait, and then once the app loads, tap on the app and check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you are facing, so just simply updating the app to the latest version will fix your issue. Now for some reason if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is head over and open up your settings, and then inside settings scroll down and then tap on general. Now inside general, tap on iPhone storage. Inside iPhone storage, scroll down until you find the Hard Rock Bait app and then simply tap on it. And now once you're inside there, you'll find two options, that is offload app and delete app. Simply tap on offload app, and what this does, it resets the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches that is present in the app that might be causing the issues that you are facing. So once that's done, what you need to do now is go back and try again. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.